am so in love with my side part. I like my side part. Like, I love this wig, y'all. I'm going to order another frontal and pluck it and take this one off, put the frontal on so that it can be proper, y'all. I washed my wig. I re-washed my wig, took the glue off, the lace, and I washed the whole entire wig. Curls still came out popping, stayed in, like, it's not. I want to get into this look because I am so tired. Like, it is damn near time for me to go to sleep for real. I haven't missed sleep. I've been up for 24 hours, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So I got my base on. I applied base number 3 and number 6 from Plouise. Now we're about to get into these shadows. I think I'm gonna go in with black first. Black. Take this Morphe concealer buffer brush and pat out my lid on my Warriors 2 palette by Juvias Place, and I'm gonna add this black all the way into the inner tear duct. Palette, and I'm gonna grab this shade right here with the E17 brush. Went ahead and went back into Eyeshadow and blended it out, y'all. It's gonna be a fire cut crease. So now I'm just basically taking that this brush, the 535, and I'm just basically stippling it so that the black is like up there, so when I cut it, it's showing. Up. It is 5:30, y'all, a.m. and I am up listening to music. That's why I ain't been talking much. But I'm about to take Fenty's 420 in New Caldonia from Nars, y'all, and I'm about to put 420 in the middle of my face, and then Nars New Caldonia on the outer parts. But yeah, I probably didn't explain the shadow. If so, I think I want to do a talk over in the shadows. Top foundation stick in the shade 210 C, deep dark. Grab that brown in here. This blank canvas base is the best, okay? The bomb dicky bomb. You doing breaking? There's nose, go. Juvias Place of Sharan Volume 1 blush palette again. So now I like to put a lot of blush on because the blush bring color back. I'm using no other highlighter besides this one, because I don't know, it just makes the skin look so glowy. And I wet it. I wet the brush, dip it in there, and then tap it on. I like a wet highlighter. And I like how it sits on my cheekbone. I'm gonna start me to do a color lip in between. It's like a dark purple or like burgundy kind of lip, because it go with the whole vibe. But I'm just out here trying to be like real vampy. I was gonna do nude, but it's always these new lips. I think I'm gonna make this lip glossy. I wonder if I should keep it matte. So I was gonna make it glossy, but I don't know, for some reason I like it matte. I think I'm gonna do matte. I'm gonna go transform into my outfit.